Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sunita Techie. If you have received the Infosys SP DSE assessment link, this video is one of the most important videos you should watch before taking the exam. In this video, I'll explain complete SP and DSE exam pattern, coding difficulty level, previous exam analysis, topics to prepare, and smart preparation strategy. And selection process after the assessment, tips to clear the coding round with the limited preparation time. If you're serious about getting selected, watch till the end because the last preparation strategy can you save a lot of time. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon. I'll post daily IT hiring updates from the top MNC companies. And let's get started with what is Infosys SP and DSE roles. Infosys generally hires candidates for different technical roles. Among them, Digital Specialist Engineer DSE. It is a good package and coding and DSA knowledge required and suitable candidates with decent programming skills. And now moving to the SP Specialist Programmer. This is a high package than DSE, very competitive, strong DSA and problem solving skills expected. And both roles are focused mainly on coding ability. And moving to the exam pattern. From the analysis shown, the assessment mainly consists of coding problems. Typically, the pattern is discussed around 3 hours duration. It should be take for assessment. Multiple coding problems. No aptitude required for this and no English, no reasoning and focus is entirely on programming only. Each coding question contains multiple hidden test cases. Passing visible test case is not enough. Hidden test cases can decide your score. Remember one thing, solve correctly, optimize smartly, and test thoroughly. Hidden test cases decide your score. Passing visible test cases is not enough. Multiple test cases, including hidden test cases, you have to pass. And it should be online coding assessment, and time management is crucial, and DSA problem solving skills is tested, and code accuracy and optimization edge cases very important. Shortlisting is based on your performance. Prepare smart, code better, and crack SP and DSP. And now moving to the coding difficulty. The question 1, it is a basic level. The topics include arrays, strings, binary speech, stock, and queue, heap. These questions are generally straightforward if you have practiced common coding problems. And question 2, it is a medium level. Topics include linked list, hashing, and trees. And these require understanding of data structure and efficient logic. And moving to the question 3, it is a hard level, and topics are included with dynamic programming, graphs, and DFS, BFS, recursion, backtracking, and these problems usually differentiate SP candidates. And previous exam analysis. This morning slots example, it is a lucky path. Maximum subarray and DFS directed acyclic graph. And another slot included examples like traffic signal, wavelength, aurora brilliance, and solar storm. And these illustrations that Infosys often mixes easy implementation, medium DSA, and hard graph DP style questions. The exact questions change from exam to exam. And what topics you should prepare and you have to practice. Priority order should be you have to prepare arrays, which topics include you have to practice like prefix sum, sliding, windows, two pointer, and algorithms like that you have to prepare. And you have to practice strings, which topics include frequency counting and character manipulation and hash map based on questions. And also you have to prepare binary search. The topics included you have to practice on lower bound, upper bound, binary search, and answers. And you have to practice stack. Practice topics included balanced parent list and next is generator element and monolithic stack. and you have to prepare queue. Practice circular queue and BFS concepts and DQ problem. And heap, practice priority queue, K large and merge K arrays. Linked list, practice these topics: reverse linked list, detect cycle and merge list. And trees, practice DFS, BFS and level order traversal, lowest common ancestors. And moving to the graph, practice topics like DFS, BFS, topological sort and connect components. And dynamic programming, practice topics included Fibonacci and climbing strains and knapsack and longest common subsequency. And the recursion topics included backtracking, subset, permutations and NQs. Smart preparation strategy. And moving to the how to prepare for this DSE and SP. I will provide a few categories. You will check that which category you are under in. Category 1, you know easy and medium coding. Focus on easy questions and medium questions. You have strong chance of clearing assessment and getting shortlisted. And category 2, you only know the basic programming. So don't waste time trying to master advanced DP in few days. Instead, arrays, strings, basic hashing and binary search and basic stack. Aim to solve the easier problems completely. And category 3, you already comfortable with medium and hard DSA. So practice DP, graphs, trees, backtracking, topological sort and DFS and BFS. Try solving all the coding questions with optimized solutions. How to solve the coding quickly? I will provide few steps. Please follow during the exam. Step 1, read all the questions first. Don't immediately start coding. And step 2, solve the easiest question first. Build confident and secure marks quickly. And step 3, move to medium level problems. And step 4, attempt the hardest question only after completing the easier ones. Step 5, always test edge cases. Example, empty input, single element, duplicate values and large constraints. Common mistakes avoid while these in assessment or interviews. Spending 90 minutes on one hard questions. Ignore hidden test cases. Not checking integer overflow. And forgetting boundary conditions. And writing brute force solutions when optimization is needed. And how the selection process in Infosys. First, round 1, online coding assessment will be conducted for SP and DSE. And if you clear that, and you will move to the second round. Candidates shortlist from round 1 attend in-person assessment at the decided centers. Whether it is Hyderabad, you have to come to Hyderabad and you have to attend from the Infosys in Hyderabad location. And round 3, technical interview. The exact stages can vary by hiring cycle, so always follow the instruction in your official Infosys communication. And I will provide few tips before going on your assessment. If you have only few days left, I will give you a 5-day strategy to clear the examination. Day 1, arrays and strings. You have to must practice on your laptop because practical knowledge is very important. And moving to the day 2, binary search and stack and queue. And day 3, prepare linked list and hashing. And moving to the day 4, you have to prepare trees, graphs. And day 5, prepare DP and recursion, mock coding test. And solve at least 8 to 10 coding problems every day. Time yourself, focus on writing clean and optimized code. I will provide 5 questions that are asked in recent assessments. And these problem testers like longest substring without repeating characters. This will include strings, sliding window, hash map, and time complexity. And the question is, given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. and example input is ABC, ABC and BB, and output is 3. The longest substring is ABC. Why this is important? This problem teaches the sliding window techniques and which is useful for solving many string and array problems effectively, and must prepare for arrays strings before going to the assessment. And moving to the second question, trapping rainwater, and this is one of the most famous array problem. It tests arrays, two pointers and prefix and suffix mixes, and given an array representing the bar heights and calculate how much rainwater can be trapped. And example input, you can check that input and output is 6. Why this is important? It helps you think about optimization instead of using brute force solutions. And moving to the third question, merge intervals. This question combines sorting and array manipulation. And the question is, given a list of intervals and merge all overlapping intervals. And example you can see in the brackets 1 3 2 6 8 0 and 15 18, and output should be within the brackets and it should be within order like 1 6 and 8 10 and 15 and 18. Why this is important? It is frequently used to test sorting logic and interval based on problem solving. This is most important. Be prepared related to these questions, and if you want more questions like this, comment in the comment section so I will provide direct with you. And moving to the fourth question, next permutations. This is an advanced algorithm question, and question is, rearrange the given array into the next lexicographical greater permutation, and if it is not possible, return the smallest possible arrangement. And example input is 1 2 3 and output is 1 3 2. Why this is important? It evaluates your understanding of permutations and algorithm designs. And moving to the fifth question, longest palindrome substring. This question tests strings and dynamic programming and two pointers. And question is, find the longest palindromic substring in given string. Example input is BA BAD and output is BAB or ABA. Why this is important? It strengthens your skills in strings and processing and dynamic programming. And these 5 problems cover array, string sorting, sliding window, two pointers, and dynamic programming and algorithmic thinking, making them an excellent preparation for the coding style expected in advanced software engineering assessments. And I will provide few preparation tips before going to attend. If you are preparing for Infosys SP or DSE, practice at least 3 to 5 coding questions every day. Focus on understanding the approach instead of memorizing code. Learn time and space complexity. Revise arrays, strings, sorting, recursion and dynamic programming. Take mock tests during tests to improve speed and accuracy. And that's all about the today's video. And if you are preparing for SP or DSE, and please comment in the comment section whatever the role you are going to attend. And I hope this complete strategy helps you prepare for the Infosys SP and DSE assessment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below which role you are preparing for, Specialist Programmer SP or Digital Specialist Engineer DSE, and also share topic wise practice questions and preparation resolution in my upcoming videos. All the best for your Infosys assessment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.